Starting a new business is exciting, but let's be honest. The paperwork and legal hurdles? Not so much. Have you ever wondered if there's a simpler, more affordable way to get your dream off the ground without getting lost in a labyrinth of legal jargon and unexpected fees? If you're nodding your head, then you're exactly where you need to be. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ZenBusiness, a company that promises to make forming your LLC or corporation as easy as pie. But the big question on everyone's mind, the one that often dictates whether a budding entrepreneur takes the leap, is this: what does ZenBusiness actually charge? Are their prices transparent? Are there hidden fees lurking around the corner, ready to spring a surprise on your budget? And what exactly do you get for your hard-earned money? We're going to break down ZenBusiness's pricing structure, exploring their various packages, optional add-ons, and those all-important annual renewal fees. We'll also touch upon how they stack up against some of their biggest competitors, giving you a comprehensive overview so you can make an informed decision for your entrepreneurial journey. So, if you're ready to peel back the layers and discover the true cost of using ZenBusiness, stick around, because we're about to get into it. ZenBusiness operates on a tiered pricing model, offering different packages designed to cater to various business needs and budgets. It's important to understand that all their listed prices are plus state fees. These state fees are mandatory charges imposed by your specific state for filing your business formation documents, and they vary significantly from state to state. For example, forming an LLC in California might cost around $70 in state fees, while in New York it could be closer to $200 and Texas $300. ZenBusiness will clearly show you these state fees during the sign-up process. Let's start with their most attractive offering, the starter package. This plan is advertised as $0 plus state fees. Yes, you heard that right, $0 from ZenBusiness for the basic formation service. This is a fantastic entry point for new entrepreneurs who want to minimize upfront costs. With the starter package, ZenBusiness handles the preparation and filing of your articles of organization for LLCs or articles of incorporation for corporations. It also includes a standard filing speed, which typically takes 7 to 10 business days, an accuracy guarantee on your filing, and often a free year of their worry-free compliance service. We'll get into worry-free compliance in a moment, but just remember that this free year usually renews at a higher annual fee. Moving up the ladder, we have the Pro package, which costs $199 per year plus state fees. This is their most popular option and comes with a significant upgrade in features. Beyond everything in the starter plan, the Pro package includes expedited filing speed, often processing your documents in just 1 business day. This is a huge benefit if you're eager to get your business up and running quickly. Additionally, the Pro package typically includes an employer ID number, EIN, acquisition, which is essential for most businesses for tax purposes, and an operating agreement template. The worry-free compliance service is also included for the first year with this plan, and like the starter package, it renews annually. Finally, at the top of their core offerings is the premium package, priced at $299 per year plus state fees. This package is designed for businesses looking for a comprehensive suite of tools and support. It encompasses all the features of the starter and pro plans, including the fastest filing speed, also typically 1 business day. The premium package adds valuable extras like a business domain name, business email address, and a business website builder. It also often includes access to a business document template library, providing you with essential legal forms and contracts. Like the other plans, worry-free compliance is included for the first year and renews annually. Now, let's talk about those important add-on services and annual renewals. This is where understanding the full cost picture becomes crucial. The worry-free compliance service, which is often included for free for the first year in all their packages, is a significant ongoing cost. After the first year, this service typically renews at $199 per year. What does it do? It helps you stay compliant with state-required annual reports and amendment filings, preventing potential fines and maintaining your LLC protections. While you can opt out, it's a valuable service, especially for busy entrepreneurs who don't want to miss important deadlines. Another key recurring cost is the registered agent service. Every LLC and corporation is required by state law to have a registered agent, a designated person or entity that receives legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. ZenBusiness offers this service for an annual fee, typically around $199 per year, though sometimes you might see a promotional rate of $99 for the first year, especially if bundled with an LLC formation. While you can technically be your own registered agent, using a professional service like ZenBusiness ensures privacy, reliability, and that you never miss crucial correspondence. Beyond these core services and their renewals, ZenBusiness offers various other add-ons that can enhance your business operations, each with its own fee. Operating agreement. While a template is often included in higher-tier plans, you can purchase a customized operating agreement for a one-time fee, typically around $99. EIN, employer ID number, filing. If you choose the starter plan, or just need an EIN without a full package, ZenBusiness can obtain this for you for approximately $99. Keep in mind, you can also get an EIN directly from the IRS for free. Business Website Builder. If it's not included in your chosen package, a business website builder can be added for around $15 per month. Domain name registration with privacy. This typically costs about $35 per year. Business email address. A professional business email can be added for about $25 per year. Business banking. ZenBusiness partners with banks to offer business bank accounts, often with a monthly fee of around $5. Money Pro Bookkeeping. For more comprehensive financial management, they offer a bookkeeping service for about $30 per month. Unlimited tax advice. This premium service can be added for around $49 per month. Annual report filing service. If you don't have the worry-free compliance, ZenBusiness can file your annual report for a one-time fee of about $100 plus state fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.